How to maximize growth in every muscle group. Part 3, the hamstrings. 4 muscles that make up the hamstrings. You've got 3 that cross the hip and the knee. There'll be the semimembranosus, semitendinosus, and biceps femoris long head. You can think of these 2 as the inner hamstrings, and then just the biceps femoris short head that only crosses the knee. So your number 1 exercise for the hamstrings will of course be the seated leg curl. This is because it puts those 3 muscles that cross the hip as well at a better length for producing force. Although not quite as optimal, the lying leg curl is still great at growing all 4 muscles of the hamstring. However, it's better used to grow this cool muscle called the sartorius. There is also a chance you could see some regional hypertrophy differences between a lying leg curl and a seated leg curl. Next would be a hinge, whether that be an RDL, SLDL, or a 45 extension. This would be biasing more of that proximal region, just of those 3 heads that cross the hip. With any of those previous exercises, it could be worth experimenting with some internal or external rotation. Internal potentially biasing more of the medial hamstrings or inner hamstrings, and external potentially biasing more of the outer hamstrings. And finally, we have seen the hamstrings benefit from stretch-mediated hypertrophy in studies, so you might see some additional benefit training them at longer lengths.